Diva trades.
Hey, happy Monday morning. I hope you had a good weekend. I wanted to make note of something here real quick, and I'm recording this. I've got one working order. It says I have two working orders on PACW and FRZA. It says canceling. The last time this happened, those orders got filled. I am a little concerned about that. It won't let me cancel them. So I'm going to go down here and see, the cancel is grayed out. I try to click the X's and nothing is happening. So these are probably going to get filled as soon as the market opens in about 15 seconds here. So back down. Okay, so they're filled. Flatten that, and let's see if I can try to get a little profit off of this. I'll just go ahead and flatten it. I don't know why that happens, but it's a little scary. I got to be honest with you. All right, so I may have to rethink how I do a few things. All right, so that was a distraction. So anyways, I'm watching three stocks this morning: FRZA, TMBR, and PACW. And it looks like FRZA is making a nice move. So that one I certainly could have held. And I'm not sure what's going on with TMBR. It looks like the price has stopped on it. It's not halted. It's like a gap down opened and then, interesting. So I am long on FRZA there on a pullback. I'm going to buy PACW off of that support. This isn't moving as quick as I want, so I'm out. All right, let's see if PACW can give me a little move here up over the high of day. Looking for a higher low on that 5-minute time frame. If I was in it twice, I would sell half right here. That's a nice move. So I'm out right there. And here's a look at those scanners this morning. Quite a few stocks on the gap scan, but I don't know. They didn't look real good. So I'm back in PACW here on a back test of the volume weighted average price. Dropping a little more than I wanted to see. I'll hold on though. FRZA looking for the breakthrough 3. There it is. I'm going to add to it on the way up. Flatten it all right there. Buy that dip. Flatten her out at $3. And PLTR hitting the scan. Let's see what that looks like. I am long PLTR. It's got a bit of a spread on it here. Sold it for $20. And just like that, I'm at my daily goal. Things aren't looking real good this morning. I might stop. I don't know. Here we come down to support on PACW. I could buy that. I don't know though. That's a hourly level. So hourly time frame. Back here, you see that pivot. Going past it. I won't be trading PLTR again because of the wide spread. When I got in it, I didn't realize the spread that it had. Unless it tightens up, then maybe I'll take another shot at it. And FRZA has me a little concerned because earlier pre-market, we made this breakout move here and then it flushed down, hits that resistance, flushes down. So got to be careful on this one. We could see more of that. What is the overall market doing today? Okay. So we're trading in yesterday's range. We broke out above it here for a little bit. 5 minute, let's, I don't know why. Someday I'm going to change this to the 1 minute permanently. Look at that long upper wick. So SPY, the market was moving and then got knocked down. I don't know if there was news or what. Was I even on the right screen? Nope. There we go. This is what I was looking at. Long upper wick on the 1 minute. Slap back down. And larger time frames, hourly, 4 hours. So we broke out above yesterday's range, the blue line, and then we dropped back below it here for a second. But boy, big move on Friday though, huh? And PLTR. So the only thing so far hitting the scanner is PLTR. But like I said, I'm not going to trade it. Made $20 on it. I actually can't tell what's going on the price ladder on this. I can't tell where it shows the bid is higher than the ask. That is really strange. That's odd. I'm not really sure what to think of that. And of course we have TMBR over here. It's just like stopped. I don't know. It doesn't. Oh, it is on the halt scan. That is odd. You don't usually see a stock halted with an upper wick. That's weird. Okay, FRZA, is it going to break out here? I mean, it kind of looks like it wants to. I'll take a shot at it. Didn't make a lot on that. I'm going to try it again. Let's see if she can get through the high here. I don't know. It feels kind of top heavy. It makes me so nervous. I'm just getting back out. And yeah, I think I'm going to be done for the day. There's a pullback to $3. Now that would be a good entry. But like I said, so this is equilibrium, tightening range. It's probably going to break out over the high. What I'm worried about is a breakout over the high and then a failure. So I'm at my daily goal, and I think I'm gonna stop while I'm there. And just to prove it, I'm gonna go down here and close my trading windows. That one and that one. And so now I can't trade, but I can watch. Oh, Sophie's hitting the high of day momentum scanner. Let's look at that. I traded that the other day. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Ah, kind of wishing I wouldn't have stopped trading now. Yeah, that's all right. I just came off of a big, long 12-hour shift from my job that I work. I'm a little on the tired side, so I don't want to push it. I've got a few days off coming up here, so I'll be a little more rested tomorrow morning. So yeah, I think I'm probably going to go do my trade review. But Sophie, man, looking really good, pulling back to the EMA there. So if Sophie is starting to trend here, I'd look for the next pullback to the EMA. Maybe we get a move to 750, and then it pulls back a little bit. I don't know. I'm excited to go look at the trade review and see how I did today. Luckily, I made money on those orders that got filled. I actually got filled on that first order right here at this support. and that's where I would have wanted to take the trade to begin with. So see, it looked like we were going to break out here, but we didn't, and now we're pulling back. There is a support level down here, and the volume weighted average price is there. Declining bear volume. Well, that 1 minute candle's not even halfway through, so I can't say that yet. Although it is smaller than this bull volume. So you could enter here, put a stop loss down below there, and see if it makes a move back up. Got to get back over $3 psychological. I have never, in all my years of trading, I have never seen a stock get halted with a long upper wick. They always get halted with no wick on top because the price, it moves up so fast. You know, it's probably not a, it's probably a different kind of circuit breaker halt. I'm wondering if they halted it because of some other reason other than momentum. Because how big was the move? $2 to, well, that could be, there's a resumption. All right. FRZA. So our next support level, I should delete this line. We have a low of day down here. So if he pulled back over here, but not quite to that pivot that I have marked out here, came close to it. So pretty strong, bulls buying the dip, but making a nice move up towards 750 there. See if it breaks through 50. Well, we rejected off 50 the first time. We'll see if it makes a second attempt. Yeah, the reason why I had those two orders showing before the bell rang is because I like to go in and put limit orders in because it brings up a dialog box that I can check a tick box on it so it doesn't show up when I'm in the middle of my trading. And I even made a video on how to do that and why I do that. But now I may have to rethink that because that's the second time where I've had orders that I couldn't cancel and then they get filled when the bell rings. I guess I could call Thinkorswim and see if there's something that they can do about that. They're probably just going to tell me, well, don't put those limit orders in. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's going to do it for me. So let's take a look at the market real quick and see what it is doing. It's back up above that daily yesterday's high. So making that move back up. Trying to hold up a lot, really wickety, a lot of wicks. So be careful today. CJET hitting the scan. Not bad. High, low, lower, high, equilibrium, tightening up. Almost a little flat top breakout here. You know, you got your line there. Whatever. That's nice. Nice move. It's fun to watch. Boy, that's really going, huh? CJET, C-J-E-T. Doesn't have news. Oh, it does. It was listed on the NASDAQ last week. Okay. I think it's halted as we broke out over the hourly level there. Well, if I was still trading, I think I would stick around and try to get in on the halt resumption on that. But I'm not. So that's going to do it for me. Thanks for tuning in for the live stream, and I'll see you tomorrow morning for another day here at EVA Trades. Stay tuned for that trade review coming up here in a few minutes. Take care. Bye.